everyone. This is our topic. Our topic is about how to engage your audience. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Tarzar Danilo F. and my partner is Christian Biceril. Introduction. Increase participation when attendants are engaged. They are more likely to participate, ask questions, and contribute discussion. Feedback and improvement engage audience provide valuable feedback, helping refine and improve future events. Presenter achieves to keep the audience interest, attention, and participation during the presentation. Audience engagements. Person rights. Definition and principle of engage your audience. 1. The 5 need to engage your audience. Number 1. Define unfamiliar terms. Number 2. Use concrete specific example. Using concrete example is a powerful way to illustrate concepts, clarify ideas, and make information more relatable. Make a statistic meaningful. Use graphics to help to clarify numerical data. Round up big numbers, interpret sticks, translate them into human terms. Use analogies using the analogy the writer aims to highlights both similarities and difference between the two object ideas. Build audience involvement. Connect to the here and now. Prepare your listeners' experience into your own expression. Personalize the subject when the appropriate highlights to local angle. Example of connecting with the audience. Number 1. Common values. Like a very basic audience analysis, think about what values you are in common with the audience member. Sense of a difference between a right wrong, belief in injustice, or adhering to the golden rule or good starting points for common values. Number 2. Common goals. In line with the same thought process for finding common values. Think about goals that you are likely to share with the audience member. Number 3. Common experience. All individuals have unique experience that shape the whole boy's views. We often have similar experience in life, being part of a family or group, falling in love, and experience physical or emotional joy and pain are common to the human experience. Eye contact. More contact. You will want to avoid appearing to stare at the audience. It's usually associated with higher valuation of the categories. Relaxed posture. As the speaker is less likely to connect with the audience than is a relaxed speaker. Relaxed speakers move freely and own the room gesture comfortably and generally seems conversation. Smiling. Finding from multiple studies suggests the human rate those who smile being more than attractive than those who do not smile. How to keep your audience engaged when you to get involved. How to keep your audience engaged when to get involved. 10 ways to keep our audience engaged when to get involved. Tell the story, nail your delivery, structure your content, include imagery, and add movement. Tell the story if you want the audience member hang your every word. Engage with a facilitating story. Means to perform something perfectly. Structure your content. If you plan a presentation with effective structure,